We're back here with our Yamaha scooter, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the air filter, how to clean it, and how to re-oil it. Follow along. To locate the oil filter, it's going to be on the left hand side underneath the scooter. You can see this black housing right here. This is the air filter cover. Now let's look at the steps to get that off. You will locate the two Phillips screws that secure the air filter housing to the motor. To gain access to where the air filter connects to the carburetor, we will remove the battery cover. With the battery cover removed, we can now see the clamp that holds the filter housing onto the carburetor. Using our fingers, the clamp can be squeezed to be removed. With the clamp removed, we can now pry the air filter housing hose off of the carburetor using a prying tool. At this point, we could pull the air filter housing away from the motor. With the air filter housing removed, we will now locate the 4 screws that secure the 2 halves of the housing together. The 4 screws can be removed. Once removed, we can open up the housing and the filter is inside. With your fingers, remove the filter. Sorry guys, I lost the footage of myself cleaning the filter. In order to do this, you're going to get yourself some warm water. I like to use dishwashing soap like Dawn. I will then add the filter to my warm water with the soap and start wringing it out. Never twist the filter. Just keep submersing it, let it sit for a while, take it out, squeeze it, and then once you're satisfied with how clean it is, you're going to rinse it with pure water to get all the remaining soap out. With the filter now clean and dry, we will need to saturate it in 2-cycle oil. This is a wet type filter, and the oil is used to catch small particulates in the air. The filter element could be left to soak or submersed in oil or rubbed in with your hands as I am doing here. You will then gently squeeze out the excess oil. With the filter now oiled, we could place it back into our filter housing, putting the 2 halves back together and securing it with our 4 fasteners. To make reinstallation easier, I like to lubricate the air filter housing hose. We can now put the hose onto the carburetor and once again using our hands, reinsert the clamp. At this point, we could go and secure the air filter housing back to the motor. The battery cover can now be put back into place and the 2 screws reinserted. There you have it guys, the removal, cleaning, and re-oiling of a wet type air filter for this Yamaha scooter. Thanks a lot for watching, see you in the next video.